Okay guys, so in this video I'm going to show you guys how to download and install Eclipse and configure Java build path or JDK build path. Okay, so first of all you can go to eclipse.org, downloads, and index-developer.php, and you can see the Eclipse versions here. So this is the standard version, and whereas these are the package solutions. So if you have specific need, you can download it from there. Otherwise you can download the standard version. Now here also we have two options. First one for 32-bit, second one is a 64-bit. In my case I'm going to download 64-bit because I have 64-bit system, and I'm going to start download here. Now I already have it downloaded here. It comes in a zip format, zip file. So I'm going to extract that zip file, and what I see here is my Eclipse. So I'm going to copy this Eclipse, going to put into program files, and I'm going to paste it in this place so that it can be accessible inside my program files and accessible for all the users. Now when I have it in my Eclipse, since this is a copy, we copied it from the folder. This does not have standard installation or Windows installation, we call it as. So we have to add manual shortcut into desktop. You can right click on this, send to, and then desktop. So when you send it to desktop, it will be added into our desktop. You can see this is how the icon will be. You can double click on this icon now, and it will ask me an option that where I'm supposed to put my workspace. I'm going to keep default path. If you have alternate path, you may put it in alternate location. I'm going to put it in a default location. So it is loading the necessary modules and necessary files in a memory. Meanwhile, let me just put here that if you have any future questions, you can go to www.qamed.com and www.qamed.com questions. You can ask your questions here in future. Anyway, so our Java Eclipse is ready for use. Now since this is open source Java, this is open source software, everything cannot be guaranteed. So what happens generally, excuse me guys, okay, so to add Java into build path, anyway this Java Eclipse comes with a default JRE, but here since we are developing Java code and we need compiler, and also we need, so our compiler is nothing but JDK, Java Development Kit. So to put that into our build path, our Eclipse build path, you can go to Windows Preferences, you can go to Java build path, install JREs. Here you see default is a JRE, but we need JDK here because we are doing development, so we need to add it manually. JDK VM, you can go to next, select JRE home, you can go ahead and go to this PC, local drive, program files. In my case, if you have 64-bit, you have to go for 32-bit, you have to go for this program files x86. Okay, go to Java, JDK, and select this, so it will be taken out as a home. So now it is already recognized that JRE name is JDK 1.7, and default VM is selected. It is also recognize the JRE system libraries. Just click on finish this. So by default it came now to JDK 1.7.0. so we can click on this and make our JDK version as a default version in preference and click on OK. That's it. So you can start your project. Feel free to ask us any question at qamed.com/questions, and we'll answer your questions as soon as possible. Thank you.